You're watching Revest Radical Rides. Don't forget to rate and subscribe.
Alright, I'm messing around in here today. Chance is here because Christine is watching the girls in there because I want to get some shit done. My plan is to make room in here, or just like make stuff work. I started with this. I just gotta get bolts for it. My next move is I'm gonna make a piece of metal that I can sit this 20-ton jack in here, and this will become my 20-ton shop press. I want to build I got like a folding or a lifting table mechanism, and this is going to become a coffee table in the basement, but it's in here and it's in the way, so I'm going to be doing lots of cleaning today. And Chance is going to pull all these out and we'll weld some ears on it where it has to, and then it can go in the house. Chance is just giving her. So I've got the hole drilled. This doesn't fit that, but it'll fit inside, so I'm gonna slit the thing so it'll slide, and then I'm gonna make like a clamp that bolts on, so I can like lock it in or lock it out. Then I could actually use this as a jack if I need to, or use it as a press if I need to. But that's the plan. Let's check it on the fire. I don't know about you guys, but I have got the world's most expensive fire poker holder. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Alright, we got the piece cut, slit. That fits perfect. So now I've got it marked right there. We're going to slice that off. Then we're going to weld this little bit. Well, I'm going to cut this obviously, like, and then we're going to weld it to this. And then the little excess should be pretty close to, or whatever. We'll trim it. Trim some of this excess to weld on this side, so that we could just have a solid mount, slide it in and out. But that's the plan. Okay, I said I was gonna do a Q&A thing. just for shits and giggles to like fill in the video because we're not doing much today. And I posted on the Facebook page. So in the future, if you guys want to see what's going on ahead of time, the Facebook page is Rivas Radical Rides. Gasoline on Instagram. So Luke, of course, asked, what's your biggest struggle? And I think my biggest struggle is wanting so many nice projects. No, I struggle with wanting so many things. I like things. That's my biggest struggle. And he also asked, what is your biggest accomplishment in the garage? Done a lot of cool things, but I think my biggest accomplishment is when I welded that transmission back together for Steph Demo. I don't know, for Corey. No, I don't remember. I think it was for Steph at the time. It was basically, there was like where your oil pan bolts up, was all that was left holding the case. It was cracked all the way around. It was 48 RFE Dodge transmission, but apparently it's still in somebody's truck and it's still going. And that was like, gotta be like 10 years now, or 8 years now. But yeah, I think that was my coolest accomplishment. Next to that, I think would be rebuilding Johnny's Dodge in a week and having it painted, bodyworked and painted. That was pretty cool. We had a lot of friends there for that. Yeah, those would be probably my biggest accomplishments. One left. Then this big block can turn into a fucking coffee table after extensive amounts of work. Anyways, I've got this all grinded down. I've got my piece that I made. Just gonna hold that up there and attack it, and then I'm gonna fully weld it. Oh yeah. not bad. Basically just to hold it in place, so. Where is it? It's right beside me. Let's set this up. Oh god, I'll need 2 hands. I'll be back. Alright. There we go. That's it. Now to test it out. Probably gonna make a plate that goes under here that'll take the abuse. But yeah. Sweet. Pumped. Now I can finally press out the leaf spring bushings and put the Caltrac stuff in. Got to put in these aluminum slugs where your bushings would be. That takes the beating. No deflection. Should be cool. I literally bought this just for the mounts, so I didn't feel like making mounts. Isn't that sad? Yes. Alright, for the test. Got the air hooked up. Tighten this up. Let this down. Go into the pins. And of course, that clip cut short because the camera died and I didn't notice until I came in the house to edit this, and it's so late at night that I'm not redoing it. So that's all you get. Okay, bye. Alright, so for the other part of the Q&A, Dennis was asking if I've made money off YouTube. I have. It's not as cool as it used to be. I used to make, I think the best I used to make was maybe like 180 bucks a month, and that all died. I think I make like $6 or $7 a month now. Yeah, it's just not there no more. But it's not why I do it. But it would be nice if I could make this my full-time career. But anyways, he was also asking about the track at the farm. Like talking about the birthday race, and it's just been a bad couple of years. Just hasn't worked out. This year we have 0 snow, and my birthday's next week, so that's not gonna happen. We also have no cars. I think I've got 1 car that works, so that's not gonna happen this year again. What else was there? There was one on my page also. Alright, these ones are a little bit more ridiculous. I'll change the order. Rob was asking if the sun blew up right now, how long would it take for every human to be wiped off the face of the planet? Not very long. We're screwed. Rob, we're screwed. Larry was asking, says, how come every build has a loose nut behind the steering wheel? That question is answered because I can't afford a professional driver, so yeah, it's me. Yeah, that's it. Jomo asks, what's the meaning of life? The meaning of life is just to truly go about it however you feel you need to go about it, without interfering with anybody else's way of going about it. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, do it. It's cheap. I bet you I am the lowest cost YouTuber out there. It won't cost you a darn thing. I won't even sell you any merch because I don't have any.
Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.